Hey everyone, sit back, relax, and enjoy some of the funniest and most unexpected moments caught on camera. She got teased for just a moment, but everything was fine. She slipped on the snowy ground and took a fall, but thankfully she was fine. The wet floor made her slip and lose her balance. Don't worry, this is a specially designed area for practicing surfing. He tried to step across, but his footing slipped at the last moment.
No.
He got a bit carried away crossing the road, but thankfully he was fine. His quick reflexes helped him move out of the way just in time. She slipped for a moment, but thankfully she was completely fine. It looked like a rough fall for a second, but luckily he came out fine. She took a fall, but thankfully she was completely fine. Looks like he's having a little fun messing with his friend. Don't worry, it was just a harmless ball. He managed to lift it, then took a tumble, but in the end, he was all right.
Como jumping jack.
She lost her footing and fell, but luckily, she wasn't hurt. One careful step at a time because these stairs are extremely slick. She lost her grip and fell, but thankfully she was okay.
Go, Dylan! Dylan! Oh! Go! Come on!
She took a fall, but thankfully she was completely fine afterward. She was ready to drink, but something stopped her immediately. That fan dropped right onto her, though luckily she wasn't hurt.
Ходила, да?
She fell right out of the chair, but thankfully she was completely fine. Thankfully, he wasn't seriously hurt after that unexpected moment. Looks like that trash bag was heavier than he expected, but thankfully he was fine.
Spit! Even spit! Yes, spit! Spit! Oh, watch out.
Thankfully, she was okay after that fall, but please be careful. That could have ended much worse, but luckily, no one was injured.
O una piedra. Ay, ay, ay. Mira, mira, mira. Y no se rompe.
She ended up in the water, but luckily she wasn't hurt. He came to throw something away and nearly included himself.
Yeah.
After the rain, that wet patch gets extremely slippery, so be careful. You really shouldn't mess around with your friends like this. She tried to get onto the boat, but the landing didn't cooperate.
Big smiles.
That sudden breeze definitely caught her off guard.
Set. Go! Go, Dylan! Dylan!
She took a pretty rough fall, but thankfully she wasn't hurt.
Linda! Linda! Oh, what the fuck?
She tried to keep her balance, but it didn't quite work out. Always follow traffic laws and ride carefully. Thankfully, he was okay. He looked away for a second and took an unexpected dip, but he was okay. He lost his footing on the oily floor, but luckily he wasn't hurt. It was a relatively minor crash, and fortunately no one got hurt.
Joe, no, don't do it!
Thanks for watching. If these funny moments made you smile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more laughs.